this is actually my first year helping out in this way with you guys. I've got all the money in many words, so cheers.
They appreciate the short ones.
Yeah, you know, the less they say, the more these people have to listen to the Scouser. It's really not a good thing. Okay, there are a few people on the list who are not going to be coming up to the stage because, you know, this thing still needs to be run. But I think they all deserve a shout out anyway. So we're going to go to Mr. Sales Table Man, Colin Pringle. Rick's ever suffering Mrs. Mary Wardle. You told me to say that, Rick. The man who did all the artwork for AA this year, and there's not all of it, but you'll see later on, there's some fantastic stuff coming up. Mr. Ed Perry. The lady with the amazing hair who's got the unenviable job of sitting outside so you people can get through the doors, Miss Lola Gutchen. And making a special appearance on behalf of Auto Assembly Europe, I cannot say your surname, mate, but Big Pete! Which brings me to the secret bit where I get to embarrass people. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were here last year, you will have noticed that somebody was missing. Somebody who was here an awful lot in 2009, and we missed it and we want him back. Everyone's favourite kitty cat, Mark Brady. And wherever you are, Mark, I want you up here.
That's a no, Billy.
Mark will not be returning next year. You have him on a 2-year rota.
When you take all of your claps back now. How do you do that?
Okay, have we found him? Oh, he's at the back, is he? Get up here!
Go on!
Okay guys, I wasn't expecting this. For those of you that do know me, I wasn't here last year for personal reasons. Just glad to be back this year, glad to see so many familiar faces here. Such a great turnout, such great dealers and everything else. Just want to say, you know, have fun, spend loads of money and, you know, enjoy yourselves. And any problems, we're all here to help. So just thanks for everything.
One last announcement from me before you start to wonder who here isn't on the team. I've talked about these people in the past as being the first family of Auto Assembly. Now, they don't often like to come up on stage if they want to. We would love you to. I'm getting the head shake right now. I'm getting the look away and carry on talking, Billy head shake. I'm talking about the Plum family, the poor, ever-suffering Trish, who has had to laminate almost 600 passes, all these goodie bags and everything. Can we have a massive round of applause for Trish? Let me say this now. Anyone who thinks Trish is getting a shout out because her second name happens to be Plum is badly mistaken. I helped out with key rings a couple of years ago, which is just one of the many things that Trish does. I did about 3 before I realised I was inept, and then I left and didn't come back for half an hour. It's a horrible job. She does a wonderful, wonderful job for us people.
And as a token of our appreciation, you can have your living room back.
Probably looking pretty good now, actually.
With our own boxes.
Okay, now the final part of this announcement is going to be quite special. Let's skip this Trish, this Hannah, this Simon. Okay, let's move on. The fact that they're over there is fantastic given the year that those two have had. For anyone who doesn't know, Trish and Simon have been going through an adoption this year, a long drawn out adoption. and after an incredible amount of time it seems, all of us here are very pleased to be able to say that Simon is now Hannah's official father, and I would love him to get a massive Now the reason I've said that, not Simon, is because this year we've had something of a curse. The riot's aren't the only thing. I mean, we have been calling this year the year of the cursed convention. You see Mark's arm? Display the arm, Mark. He copied me. My right one was bandaged up yesterday. The amount of injuries we've had on this stage is phenomenal, and I'm sorry to say that our dearly beloved noble leader has fallen to cosmic rust this year. He is unable to walk around too much. He's still there, manning the ship, making sure everything happens. That's the reason he's not coming over. I'm not going to give any further details, because if he wants to, he can, but he's got quite a serious injury going on. So again, to the man who's made all of this happen, can we have a massive round of applause for him? And now I'm going to hand back over to David for the bit that you all actually came to see. So thank you very much for giving these guys a round of applause. I appreciate it.
Get off these stairs. It's Billy's idea, not mine.
Paul, I heard that.
Billy heard that too. This thing's still live.
I feel like I'm forgetting something. Is there anything else that we'll have to mention here? What? Yes! No, what? Yes! It's like pantomime, I love it. Yes. Guests. We've got lots of guests this year. So, without further ado, our very first guests of Auto Assembly 2011 are... Mr. John Paul Beauvais. Keep going. A lot of you at the back, so it's taking a while to get through. John, welcome to Auto Assembly.
Hello! For those of you that don't know me, because I haven't been here before, I am Greg Berger and Simon Thurman and Nick Roche. So, you know. But anyway, hello everybody. Thank you for having me here, and see you around.
And next up we have... Mr. Lee Bradley! Good beer in town, we started already.
I'm Lee Bradley and I draw Transformers. So I'll be over there if you want any sketches, £10 a pop.
And next up we have Mr. Chris Carter!
Oh, I would have waited an eternity for this. It's AA time.